In this video, we will cover the turning operation inside a SolidCAM. Let's go and create one turning job. For our geometry, we'll be using a solid type of geometry, and let's create a new one. As you can see, we already did a face turning job, and our blue line now matches exactly our target. This blue line represents the updated stock that is calculated between each job. So for our geometry, we'll pick this face to be the first one, and the last one will be this one. So this will be our chain. Let's accept our geometry, and let's modify it a bit. For our start extension, we want to extend it on the right side. And maybe let's go, because I see that my geometry starting from here, I want to trim it up to here. So I want to start it from here. And for the end extension and trimming, we can say just to auto extend it and extend it in the X plus direction. So this will be our region of interest to cut in this job. Let's go and confirm the geometry and move on to the tool. For a tool, you can select the tool from the drop-down menu here. And we know that we want to use our tool one. And let's move on to the levels page. Now, at this moment, as we said, we can go and try to calculate our job. As we see, we already have some kind of a toolpath here. We have some things that we don't want to cut because we don't want to go inside this groove. We will be doing this with the grooving type of operation, but we will go now and adjust our toolpath. For the safety distance, we can put 5 millimeters, for example, and see what will happen. Again, same thing as for the face turning job, you can use and change the safety distance if you want to. You can also use your custom safety distances. Now at this point, when you have a toolpath, you can go in your machine preview, you can check how it looks like on the machine. As you can see, this is the starting point of our toolpath, and this is how the machine will behave at the start of our job. One more thing which is additional here is that you can limit your toolpath here. This is something that in the face turning we didn't have. So for the X minimum, we can go and see this is our diameter is 80 millimeters. We can say the maximum diameter is 100 millimeters. So we can say our minimum diameter will be 90 up to 95. We want to have a toolpath. What will happen is we will get some kind of toolpath which is shrinked in between those. So you can go and extend maybe this to 120 and see what will happen. You will get the toolpath from the 90 millimeters X up to the end. We will now turn off these limits and we will not be using our fixture clearance. Let's recalculate this, and this is the starting point before we go inside our technology page. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.